66 in Chicagoland, 70 in St. Louis, 62 in Kansas City. Very nice across the south. 84 in Dallas, 90 in Phoenix, and a little bit cooler here for sure along the coastal areas with that onshore flow. So we're about average, but below average behind our front, and a little bit maybe above average here in Texas. All right, your forecast, we are looking Monday morning. We are looking at the rain coming in. Maybe a few scattered showers, and that's really about it. Monday morning, another cold blast and some snow coming in, and we are going to see that. Well, more on the windy, wet weather in the east, plus the latest on travel conditions across the nation. Travel-wise is right after your local forecast. Stay with us. For many of the folks across the country, the system we've been following along the east coast will be tracking off towards the northeast. We may see maybe around Cape Cod.
We'll talk about that on Travel-Wise right after your local forecast.
Going to be the big weather makers tonight and tomorrow morning. One front slicing through the Ohio Valley and into the central plains or southern plains. Then we have another front coming into the northern plains. Now this one is going to be the pretty strong one. It's going to bring some snow, and it's also going to bring some very gusty winds behind it. Okay? With that said, let's take a look at your forecast. Rainy travel tonight, kind of very scattered in nature here across the country. Extreme coastal areas with our storm system tracking off towards the northeast along the coastal areas. We should be on the lookout for a few showers, and that's really about it. Farther to the west, later on tonight into tomorrow morning, the front range may be looking at a few showers. Same thing here in the upper UP of Michigan and lower peninsula of Michigan, that we'll see the chance of some light rain with that. And that will be through the evening and eventually maybe even getting to New York. Now around D.C. and Philadelphia and the other
cloud cover here to the east, but perhaps more interesting is what's going on here to the north.